In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate total and grand total in Microsoft Excel. We will go through a simple way to add up numbers in Excel. First, by calculating a total for one section of data, and then by combining those totals into a grand total. This is useful when you have separate groups of numbers, such as sales amounts, expenses, quantities, or any other values that need to be added together clearly. Start by looking at the column or row of numbers that you want to total. If your numbers are arranged in a column, click the empty cell directly beneath the last number. If your numbers are arranged across a row, click the empty cell directly to the right of the last number. This empty cell is where Excel will place the total result. It is important to choose the cell right next to the data because Excel uses that position to understand which numbers you probably want to add. This helps the automatic total feature work quickly and accurately. Once the correct empty cell is selected, press the Alt and equals keys at the same time if you are using Windows. If you are using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and T at the same time. This shortcut tells Excel that you want to use the sum function. After you press the shortcut, Excel will automatically enter a sum formula for you. You should see something like equals sum with a range inside the parentheses. Excel will also highlight the cells it believes should be included in the total. Take a moment to look at the highlighted range and make sure it includes the correct numbers. If the highlighted range looks right, press Enter. Excel will calculate the sum and display the total in the cell you selected. This gives you a quick total without having to type the full formula yourself. Now, if you have more sections or tables on the same sheet, repeat the same process for each one. Click the empty cell directly beneath or to the right of the next group of numbers. Use the same shortcut, check the highlighted range, and press Enter to create the next total. Repeating this setup keeps each section organized. Each table or group can have its own total, which makes the sheet easier to read and also makes the final grand total easier to calculate. To calculate the grand total, click a new empty cell where you want the final combined total to appear. This cell should be separate from the individual totals, so it is easy to identify. In that cell, type an equals sign. Then click your first total cell. After that, type a plus sign. Next, click your second total cell. When the formula includes the totals you want to combine, press Enter. Excel will add those total cells together and display the grand total. This final number represents the combined amount from the separate sections you already totaled. That covers everything you need to know.